Yeah, that's the river flowing. Doesn't look like something special, but for us waiting for one whole year to see this water coming down, it's really, really special. So cool. Yeah, that's really it's quite amazing. It's a little bit, it's not so strong now. It was really, really strong last night. It was raining a lot. It was amazing. It's massive. Yeah. Let's check it out. I think it's gonna rain again. Then we're gonna have the river flowing really strong again. I'm just gonna get my tube and go down the shit. Just kidding. Alright. Finished by now.